best friend. I can't believe this could be the end. It looks as though you're letting go, and if it's real and I don't want to know. Don't speak, I know just what you're saying, so please stop explaining. Don't tell me 'cause it hurts. Don't speak, I know what you're thinking, and I don't need your reasons. Don't tell me 'cause it hurts. Our memories, they can be inviting, but somehow altogether mighty frightening.